Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Dakajing temu ban penlong ya kerukam hikai ke bakham janai haki jaka pule nakabenta ki khna secondary bat kabanya ha bat ka national education policy jong snem arjar arpho kinong elam jong ka school ba North Eastern Hills University minta ka sin kara shim sa kawai pat ka sin jam ban wanra ya kawai ni kerukam ajing hikai ya kabala tip kum ke integrated teachers educated program nik itep hapo ka school ba Kato kat ningut na ginong yalang bahakmat jong ka school ba kibakin tup yo Professor P.S. Shukla ubalong kumu Vice Chancellor jong ka school ba nang ta Professor B.B. Karbi Rambai Head of Department Education Dr. S.K. Lenka ba Dr. Babli Chaudhary kibade kinong hikai hawaya keren berkilar pathai kubor mentaka sengi ka arpu hendretrek yo yong arajar arpu saw haslong press club ka Professor Karbi Rambai kala pentip ba ka ITEP Ansa sedang ban pentrekam yaka nado ka samoi puli kaban 1 lani ka semester bat ki khna ki bala pendap ya jing puli class 12 ru ki la ban pendam ya gani ka course ka balong south nam shishok ka professor kala tho ru ba ka jing yo ka nehu ban penlong ya gani ka program kalong ka weni ki jing mentoy ni ka benta ki khna samna bat kat kum ka jing antat house nam arjar lipo anam dan shu ki lat ni ki program ban ajing hikai ki nong hikai henrei tang lingba ka itep bat Tang ki bala pendep ya gani ka course kin sha penrungkam hapo ki school ni ki jaka pule
included जो है BEd courses for the जो है Meghalaya student and all of you are well aware about the teachers education is a vital in creating a pool of school teachers that will save the जो है next generation teachers. Teacher preparation is an activity that requires multidisciplinary perspective and knowledge formation of the position and values and the development of practices under the जो है best mentors. Teachers must be जो है grounded in Indian values, languages, knowledge, ethos and traditions including the जो है tribal traditions of the state. While also to have been well versed in the latest advance in education and pedagogy. So Northeastern Hill University going to start a new course in the coming academic year, that is 24-25. Requirement for this course is intermediate, and this is also just like the at par with the NEP 2020. Just like NEP 2020, this is also a student-centric course. After the first year, student can hesitate, so he can receive the certificate course. After second year, also chance to exit from the courses, receive the diploma courses. Third year, he can again exit from the courses. He can receive the degree. But after fourth year even fourth year degree embedded BEd course. So this is the main objective of this course, to facilitate our students and reduce the gross enrollment ratio in the state. And with this way, NEHU is going to provide a better fully trained teacher for teaching in our state along with the other part of the country.
And this is a 4-year course, so eligibility criteria is class 12. So only after you pass, student passes class 12 only, they can enter for this course, just like engineering and medical colleges. So it's a 4-year full-time course, and NEHU is offering this course just like many other listed organizations under NCTE. So NEHU has recently got the permission to start this course, and we are very, very happy that many students now will get the opportunity to come to NEHU and get a very quality education to become good teachers in the future. Because as per NEP 2020, by 2030 there will be no more teacher education programs. There will be only the ITEP, And of course, those who are running successfully, like the 1-year BA program and all, they will be running. But then only those teachers who pass from this 4-year ITEP, they will be appointed as teachers in the institutes, in the schools. Okay. So therefore, I want to say regarding the duration, the structure of this course, in NEHU at the moment now, we are offering the secondary level. Okay, usually ITEP has 4 variants. It has the preparatory, the foundation, the middle and the secondary. So we have got the permission to start the secondary level and not the other 3. And so we have the number of teachers here who are well qualified in NEHU itself, in both the campuses. We also have the other teachers who are also there willing to be a part of us. Okay, and now why this secondary level? I would just like to tell you that this secondary stage includes class 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. And in this 4 years course, you will see class 9 and 10 students. They will engage with curricular areas to ensure the breadth of the study, because they are already coming well prepared from the middle stage. So now they are coming to the secondary stage, they are quite experienced, and therefore their curriculum will include 3 languages, okay? Arts, education, physical education, vocational education, social sciences and humanities, interdisciplinary areas, mathematics and computational thinking and sciences. So they are going to be specialized in those. And classes 11 and 12, in class 11 and 12, more subject choices will be there. Once they pass that, and for students who pass from 11 and 12, more subject choices will be there in this program. So the different curricular areas will be again languages, art education, physical education, vocational education, social sciences and humanities, and also just like the 9 and 10, interdisciplinary and also computational thinking. Okay. Now, we also want to share that the students will have the options to choose subjects here now. So because of the MDC, the multidisciplinary courses, they will have options to choose. So now they can, suppose for instance, they want to opt for mathematics, they will also have an additional, and they can also opt for advanced mathematics. So mathematics will also be there, and they can also opt for advanced mathematics. So they can become a full-fledged mathematics teacher with this degree. Okay, and then this entire ITEP course, again they are running into credit hours. So they have to complete 160 credits to get this degree. Okay, and NCT has given us an option to the universities that you can also add 30% of more of your courses. So 176 is the total. So out of, you cannot cross 176. 160 is the requirement, but we as a university, we can add more till 176. Okay. I would just like to talk about the intake. We are having we are offering BA B.Ed and BSc B.Ed. So BA B.Ed is 50 students and BSc B.Ed is 50 students. And the main idea here is every batch we will be having 100 students coming into the university, and they will be progressing to second semester, third semester, fourth semester, and it will go on till the last semester, that is the 8th semester. Okay, and the main objective, I would just like to add that why we require this, which sir has mentioned just now. The most important point here is that to have quality teaching. So that when they go back and teach in schools, the children will be very, blessed to have very good quality teachers in different disciplines, like physics, chemistry, maths, then history, geography, education. Then we also have Khasi as a language. This time we have also managed to put Khasi and Garo as a language, so that our students from here, they can opt that as a language paper. And again, I would just like to say that this one, it seeks to ensure that prospective teachers are given highest quality education in content, pedagogy, values, and also practice. So internship is also very important here. And the internship program will start from 5th semester and it will go on till the 7th semester. So that is 20 credits is given for school internship, where as the students who are coming here to study in NEHU, they'll be having good opportunity to go to different schools which will be registered with us, with the university, and they will be having a very good background of internship program. Okay, and another one is that the basic requirement is how they will enter the ITEP. So in the NEHU website you will see that we have already put the ITEP, the NTA portal, we have given us a link and a page to share in the NEHU website, which we have shared, and the last date is 30th of April. The students will have to go to that link and they have to open the page, register themselves in the portal, and then after registering they have to pay a minimal fee of 650 rupees for SC/ST students, and the rest are I think 1000 rupees. And after that the requirement is they need to have 50% marks in class 12. Okay, 50% marks in class 12 to register for this program. Then once they have done that, then the NCET will give them a date for examination, just like CUET. So then they sit for the NCET examination. Then after that examination is over, then NCTE will send us the scores of the students to the different universities. There's a list of universities you will see from whole India. So I think we are number 62. NEHU is number 62 in the list. So if you opt for NEHU, then obviously NCTE will send the scores to NEHU. Then after that, NEHU will sit down. We have our own regulations. NEHU has our own regulation. We will impose that regulation with that NCTE score, and based on that, like domicile of Meghalaya, SC/ST, we have reserved categories, we have physically challenged, we have all those categories, which is specifically for NEHU only. We will add those along with the NCET scores, and then the total score will be given, and based on that the candidates will be selected in the university.
What are the benefits of this course, that is ITEP, Integrated Teacher Education Program, BSc B.Ed and BA B.Ed? It's a dual major bachelor degree, right? After completion of this course, the pass out students will be eligible for teaching at secondary as well as higher secondary, means up to class 12. Earlier, what we said, PGT and TGT. Another benefit of the students, that after completion of this program or course, the students, the pass out students are also will be eligible to take admission in 1 year PG program as well as 2 year PG program. For example, those students will exit the course at 3 years, they are eligible, they are entitled to take admission in 2 year PG program as per NEP 2020. And other students, those who will pass 4 year program, IT program, they will be eligible for 1 year PG program, as well as they can also register for the program of PhD as per new guideline of NEP and UGC. So perspectives or benefits of the pass out students are very good than the other traditional courses. It's a course of integration, not a joint program.
Similarly, the NCET is also coming from NTA. So university does not have a hand in this. It is totally with the Ministry of Education, where they have formatted and done everything. They were working on this for quite some time. For 1 year we were working on it, and finally they have come up now for the first time. For teacher training, we are having a separate type of a national level entrance test. So university does not have any role here. Only after they pass from there, they come to us, then we take them over. And even if you pass out the 4-year ITEP from here and you don't want to be a teacher, you still can do your PG in your major subject. Say suppose zoology, then you can do your PG in zoology with this degree. It's not necessary that you will become a ML you have to do, or I have no chance, I'll just become a teacher now. Nothing like that. After this 4 years, you already got a teacher degree plus your major degree. Now, if they are a graduate and they want to go for the ITEP, they may go, but the loss is theirs only. They will lose 3 years because ITEP is a 4-year course. They have to complete the 4 years to get the ITEP degree.
Especially this course framed for the student who is interested in BEd.
To be a
They
teacher.
can directly join from the first year after the intermediate. And in between, my mood is just going to change. I am not going to complete the BEd. I would like to do some other degree. They can do this. So this can be reduced, increase the GER, gross enrollment ratio also, and I think might be you are aware about the new education move. National education policy is also doing the same thing. How to increase the GER of the country from 25. At present this is 25. Up to 2030, government plan how to reach to even 50%. Once the government are in position to definitely, our young generation going to take the benefit.